Hello guys, welcome to First Step Innovation. In this video, we will learn how to use Arduino Stimulator. Arduino Stimulator is a software which allows users to design circuit, write code, make their own virtual Arduino projects. Let's get started. Here I am using Wookvi. You can also use other websites. Select the types of components for your project. Here I'm using Arduino UNO and OLED display. As you can see, I'm designing my circuit. After assembling all the components, let's upload the code. This is the code for this project. Click on the upload option. Here you can see the code is uploading. Let's see the working. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe and follow us for more.